Thandwe Nkosi. Thanks so much for your question. Now, let's just take this at face value and see what kind of information they've given us and what we can do with it. Okay, so the question says, Michelle and Themba are traveling from Cape Town to Johannesburg by car. They travel 30 kilometers in 18 minutes. So that's the first piece of information they give us. Let's write that down. So we've got 30 kilometers in 18 minutes. And then they say, how far will they have traveled in 1 hour, 24 minutes? Now they tell us that we have 1 hour and 24 minutes. Now, the best thing to do in this particular case is we have to figure out how many kilometers they would have traveled in just 1 minute. 1 minute, because then we can use that to compare to both 18 minutes and to 1 hour, 24 minutes. So in order for us to do that, we know that they've traveled 30 kilometers in 18 minutes, right? So if we want to take 30 kilometers, I'm going to write this out. 30 kilometers, that will then be equal to 18, we can call it x, okay, in this case. So what we're actually trying to solve for here is x, because then that will tell us what 1 minute is. Okay, so we're going to, in order to isolate x, we're going to divide both sides by 18, and we're going to get x is equal to 30 divided by 18. Okay, which is equal to, if we simplify this, this is going to give us 5 over 3. Okay, which is approximately 1.7-ish kilometers, but for now we're going to leave it as 5 over 3 because that's going to help us in the next part that we're going to do. So now we know how far they travel in 1 minute. Now we want to translate that to 1 hour and 24 minutes. Now we know that 1 hour is actually 60 minutes. So we can rewrite this as 60 minutes plus 24 minutes. So we're going to go, if we've got 100 or 60 plus 25 plus 24, that's going to give us 84 minutes, right? If 1 minute is 5.3 or 5 over 3, how much are we going to travel in 84 minutes? And that's just going to be 84 multiplied by 5 over 3. And we can look at what that is going to be. You can pause and punch that into your calculator quickly or do the sum quickly. Yes, that's going to give us 140 kilometers. And this is the answer we're looking for in this particular question. I hope this was helpful, and the method that we use works for most of them. Sometimes we have to compare by an hour, but in this one we only have to compare by a minute. Okay, all the best.